Suggest some methods to assist an infertile couple to have a children. Okay, what does infertility mean? Infertility means when a male and a female in a couple are trying but cannot produce an offspring because of n number of reasons. It could be physiological, it could be psychological, it could be emotional, it could be because of any immunological reaction, and thus assisted methods are do come in picture. So now this couple is infertile. So the options they have here would be something like this. First, state the reason of infertility. That is, the reason of infertility could be, the reason of what, students? Infertility could be physical, congenital diseases, drugs, immunological, and even sometimes psychological. Now, specialized healthcare units called infertility clinics could help in diagnosis and corrective treatments for some of these disorders. These techniques, or through the specialized techniques called assisted reproductive technologies known as ART, infertile couples could be assisted to have children. They are as follows. So just give names of the techniques. So techniques like IVF, GIFT, GIFT, artificial insemination, and ICSI. These are all the techniques. So just write that down. 1. Test tube baby programs. 2. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. So gamete is transferred into the fallopian tube of a woman to fertilize further, and then a baby is born. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So a sperm is taken and directly injected inside an ovum, that is known as intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So this is done when the sperm motility is less. 4th, artificial insemination. It is also something similar, but in insemination it is not directly injected inside an egg. Okay, students? So this is what question number 9 is about.